Bytes-Warden, Vaultwarden, the lightweight self-hosted password manager. Vaultwarden is a lightweight open-source implementation of the Bitwarden server API, built in Rust for maximum performance and efficiency. Designed for self-hosting, it provides full compatibility with official Bitwarden browser extensions, desktop applications, and mobile apps, while using significantly fewer system resources than the official server. By joining us, you're making sure you never miss a deep dive into the open-source tools shaping the future. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one repository or engineering concept that's been living rent-free in your head lately? Drop a comment below. I use your suggestions to curate every single quick look we produce. Despite its small footprint, Vaultwarden includes enterprise-grade features such as secure password sharing, organizations, collections, and multi-user management. It also supports end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, TOTP, WebAuthn FIDO2, and Duo, ensuring your credentials remain protected at all times. One of Vaultwarden's biggest advantages is complete data ownership. If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe. Users can host their password vault on anything from a Raspberry Pi to a cloud VPS, with support for SQLite, PostgreSQL, and MySQL databases, making backups and long-term management simple and flexible. Built with Rust and commonly deployed through Docker, Vaultwarden is an ideal solution for individuals, families, and small teams seeking a fast, privacy-focused, self-hosted alternative to commercial password management services without sacrificing compatibility or security. Finally, if you know a fellow dev or student who's struggling with this topic, share this video. Let's keep engineering simple and accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Byte.